Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create simple 3D models crystal stone. First I will insert cube objects and then you can set for with segment into 2. We can click OK. The next I will change into mesh plus wireframe view. And in here I will use add selection. We can select at this edge and also in the bottom here. Now we can use scale command. Okay, I will scale into this point. I will change the front view and then we can set into the graphic projection. Okay, this is for front view. We also can scale in blue axis into this point. Okay, this is enough. Now we can use face selection, or we can set into polygon. We can select this face. We can use extrusion tools. Okay, I will extrude to the top here. And then you can click OK. The next I will use vertex selection, and then I will select this all vertex. You can change into right view, and now I will use move tools. We can move this vertex to the top. I will move into this point, and then I will select this vertex. We can move to the bottom. Okay, I will select again. Okay, this all vertex. We can move to the bottom here a bit. Okay, this is enough. Now we can change into mesh plus wireframe view, and in here we can select this vertex again, and then we can use scale tools. Okay, you can click here scale. Okay, I will scale this object more bigger to this point. Okay, we select again in here and move to the bottom a bit. Okay, now you can use polygon selection. I will select at this face and then we can scale. Okay, make it more small. You can scale into this point, and this is enough. I will change again into vertex selection. We can select at this vertex, and then we can use move tools to move to the top into here. Okay, we select again at this vertex, and then we can move to the bottom into this point. Okay, you can select this vertex and move to the top. You can change into mesh plus wireframe view. Okay, this is enough. The next we can use insert tools to create new face in this model. You can click modify and click insert. Okay, I will set for insert into 3. You can click OK. Now if we use round objects, you can click preview. This for preview round objects, you can set into 3. So this for 3, and you can set into 4. It make more smooth. Okay, and now you can click OK to apply. The next we can move these objects. Okay, you can set into this for preview, mesh preview, and then I will click move tools. You can move into center point, and now we can use a copy tool. We copy into 2 these objects, and in here we can use scale tools, or we can scale this object more small. Okay, we can scale to here, and then I will move to this point, and now we can use rotate tools. I will rotate in blue axis. Okay, we can rotate into this point. Okay, we rotate again. Okay, this is enough. Now we can use move tools, move in green axis and in red axis to here. Okay, I will select these objects, and then we can use a copy offset. You can set into pivot, and then I will set copy into 2 for number of copy, and you can click copy. So it will be create 3 models in here. You can close, and I will select these objects. Okay, only these objects, and then we can use scale tools. Okay, you can scale more bigger. sorry, I will undo. In here you can set into give proportion to these models. So if we give a proportion, okay, we can change into top view, and then you can use move tools. We can move into here. Okay, we select again these objects, and then we can scale. I will set into give proportion, and then we can scale more small. Okay, we can use move tools, move in green axis. And now I will create the cube objects. You can click here cube, and we can use scale tools. Okay, you can click scale. You can scale in green axis, and then I will scale it more bigger. Okay, we scale again in green axis. Now we need to apply material into this object, but first I will combine these all objects. Okay, these 4 objects, you can click utilities and merge objects. It will be combined into one. And now we can set material into these models. You can select in here material. The next I will use texture, and then I will change into others. We set into this as matte cap. You can click to apply into these models. I will use a reset value. So this for reset value. And for material beta in here, I will set a thickness into here. You can close or click OK to apply. Now we can select this object. We apply again materials. Okay, we can set into others with ice materials. The next we can use lightning. Okay, you can use this option. For material beta, I will set environment map. Okay, reflectivity, this for reflectivity, and then you can set for thickness into here. You can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models stone, crystal stone with GWCAD software. Okay, if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.